In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to order a bagel at Tim Hortons. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to order any sort of bagel through the latest version of their mobile app. You will be able to find the app for your region if it is available, and in here you can order now for pickup or delivery. Ordering a bagel in Tim Hortons will work for any of these methods. All that you have to do is switch over to the menu or the ordering tab and browse through all of the places near you. You will be able to input an address and see if there is a Tim Hortons that will deliver to you. Alternatively, you can also choose pickup, which is what I'm going to do in this video. Choose between pickup or delivery according to your preferences, and you will be able to select the region and browse through the menu. So as you can see, I was able to select a specific Tim Hortons where I'm going to do pickup. Now you can browse through all of the items, you can add various things, but if all you want to do is add a bagel, all that you have to do here is browse through the menu until you find it, usually under the breads category. So as you can see here, there are different sorts of bagels, or you can use the search function and look for bagel. Regardless of which option you pick, as long as you can find it, you will be able to add it to your cart and proceed to checkout. With all of the items properly added, once you are ready to order the bagel at Tim Hortons, just proceed to checkout and see the payment methods available in your region. Make sure that everything is added properly, and as long as everything looks okay, you can include an optional message and place the order. Choose a valid payment method, confirm your email address and phone number, and as long as you can proceed to checkout after you select the specific bagels that you would like to order, you will be able to complete this. So as you can see, choose between the payment methods and between pickup or delivery, and you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to order a bagel at Tim Hortons. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.